Welcome back. Here is a quick public service announcement. Always check your parts, folks, before you put them in your car. I don't know if you can see all the trash in there, but there is a lot of trash in that pipe. Don't want that in your system. It can clog things up. You definitely don't want something like that to fudge up your system. So I got the inside of the pipe cleaned out, as you can see. Got all the little metal shavings out, so it's not going to get in my cooling system. Hopefully this helps you out. See you next time.